Welcome once again to my weekly webcast, Ask Chuck Questions. I ask you to email, Twitter, Facebook questions to me weekly, and each week I'll answer a couple of those questions, and what I don't get answered this way via voice, we will respond to your questions in writing. I thank everybody who participated in this week's question asking. I picked two questions, so we'll go to the question from Mary from Panora. Her question comes by email. Quote, "The government is growing too large and we can't afford it. And what's the government's already running like Social Security, Medicare, senior drug program aren't doing well?" There's two basic questions in that one question. One, the issue of entitlement, Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, a drug program. These programs have to be reformed and should be reformed. It's a very difficult political issue to deal with. The other one is the overall budget deficit. And one of the things that I would suggest for an overall budget deficit is to freeze across the board. Now, I think that the opportunity of freezing across the board, even though I'm a senior member of the Senate and talk about it a lot, the chances of the new majority, and remember there's 60 in this new majority, so they can do almost anything they want to do. The chances of getting big spending people at the majority to freeze across the board is probably very nil, but it's an issue I'm going to keep bringing up. Let's go now to a question from Facebook. Dayton from Ames asks, when will more loans become available for small business? Well, first of all, we're in a recession caused by the financial collapse, and we have bailed out banks and Wall Street, but we have not bailed out Main Street. You would think by pouring tens of billions, adding up to hundreds of billions of dollars into Wall Street, that would loosen up credit, but it hasn't. And it isn't because of the money that the taxpayers put in hasn't loosened up credit. It's just that the banks were in such a capital bad way that they have not gotten to the point where they can start lending. So the stimulus package comes along, and only 1/2% of that deals with helping small business. And yet small business is 70% of the new job creation machine in America. 70% new jobs from small business. So we ought to put more emphasis up on it. Now, within the last couple weeks, the President announced an increase of SBA in this direction. We'll have to wait to see if that actually helps small business, but at least it is an effort. I look forward to extending some tax provisions that were put in place, like expensing of depreciated equipment, which runs out December 31st of this year, re-implementing that for a future to help small business. Keep the questions coming next week. We'll do this again. In the meantime, the Senate is going to be working today on approving some judgeships and start work, which will probably take all this week, on the unemployment compensation bill. I look forward to email, Twitter, and things of that nature with your questions next week.